market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. I'm at an airport, so pardon me if there are some announcements in the background. I'm traveling. These are the lines and fair value gaps that we drew yesterday, and then this was the target that we had set for Nifty if it comes on the downside, and this was the target we set if it decides to go upwards. Now, we almost missed this target by a few points. Let me just be exact. This is the line that we drew was 23,796.85, and the low of this candle is 23,799.10. So yeah, it's just approximately 2 point something points. That's what Nifty missed it by. This is the Nifty on a daily time frame. Now, for all those who are new here, what we do here is we try to make informed guesses of biases of Nifty on time frame starting from the monthly all the way down to the hourly, and we try to, as I said at the beginning of this video, make informed guesses about where the buyers and sellers are. As usual, let's go and delete everything that we drew previously and start afresh. Starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the bias on Nifty is not sure. Why is it not sure? Because for a bullish bias, we will need a higher low to be created, as you are seeing here. And for a bearish bias, lower highs need to be created. Now we have neither higher lows nor lower highs. So right now it is not sure, but big sellers and big buyers are evident here. This is where the big sellers are. And this is where the selling liquidity is all concentrated in this whole chart of Nifty. There's nowhere around this chart with as many sellers as this place right now. On the 16th of last month, we had breached this level, but had been sold off for multiple time frames, multiple times. Now, where are the buyers? We are not sure. The only place I'm sure of on a monthly time frame is buyers are here. Nowhere near this area on a monthly time frame we can say where the buyers are. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because you take a look, this is a swing high, this is a lower high, and this is still being formed, so I do not know if it's still a lower high. So it is bearish. There is a fair value gap here, and therefore if Nifty decides to come all the way down on a weekly time frame, this is going to be a good support. Well, let's draw it. We are into the second day of the week, and this could be a good level for weekly option sellers. This is a level that needs to be looked out for. The weekly candle shouldn't close below this. It will be very bad for Nifty's bullish bias if this happens. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty was bullish yesterday, but that is taken out. Now this low has been taken. So a proper analysis. Why was it bullish yesterday? This was a swing low and this was a higher low, and that's why it was bullish. Now this is a swing high. This is a previous swing high. It's a higher high. Therefore, the bias is not sure. Oops. over to the 4-hour time frame. And a 4-hour time frame. Previously we were bullish, that is gone. This was the low that was taken. There is it a bearish scenario. We need a lower high. This is a high, and there is no lower high created. At least I believe, yeah, there is no lower high. A high or a low is a 3-candle formation. This candle is higher than this, but we need a third candle to validate this as a swing high. What will be a good target for Nifty? Good target for Nifty is this candle here, right here, which we said was missed by 2 points. 2 points, something points. That still serves as the target. After that, the target is the top of this fair value gap, that right here. And there are fair value gaps that were made on the way down. Let's mark fair value gaps in the hourly time frame. This is the hourly time frame, and on an hourly time frame, Nifty as it become bearish. This is a swing high. This is a higher high, so that does not serve the purpose. Oh, I forgot to write. Not sure here. And the hourly is also not sure. And there's a fair value gap that's formed here. So there's also a fair value gap that's formed right here. Well, I'm not marking up any fair value gaps right now. Let's just look at the levels because it's days of violent movement. The oil prices seem to be growing high, and the rupee seems to be weakening, and RBI has seemed to have spent a ton of money on stabilizing the rupee. We are fast running out of foreign reserves. It's not only us, a lot of countries are running out of foreign reserve, and it's a crisis situation. UAE, it happened to UAE, it's happening to India, and it's happening to a lot of other countries. The government is falling into desperate measures. So I believe if the oil price keeps rising as it is right now, and as it is doing right now, and the rupee keeps falling as it is doing right now, we are in some big trouble. Let's see. Once again, I am not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.